So we're in Claremont now.
Claremont.
And we're about to wrench on this dude's, he's got a Toyota Yaris we're about to change the diffs on. We're gonna put in a limited slip diff.
Yeah.
No, I'm just kidding. It's a 4Runner. We're gonna be swapping in a new transfer case. I keep saying transaxle. I don't know why. I just like saying that, dude. It's just it's a good word, you know? Yeah. Sounds like, oh, I know what I'm doing. Yeah. So we're gonna be swapping in a new transfer case, and we're gonna be doing U-joints and a couple other and a couple other things that I don't really know about. I've never worked on a 4Runner, so
yeah, me neither till now.
Should be pretty sick though, because we know. I mean, we don't know what to do.
It's like
so like this should be fun.
Once
like,
we're done, then it's like we know what to do.
Yeah, it's like, do we break it more or do we? I don't know, man. But we'll see. I think we can get it over with. It seems like a couple of nuts and bolts. That S2K we were just talking about right there.
S2 King.
Hey, what's up, boy? Sheepy intercooler.
Yep.
So that means he has a Sheepy turbo kit in that case, probably. And that's sick because it revs to 9,000 RPMs.
Dude, that thing probably goes nuts.
Actually, unless it's an AP2. If it's an AP2, it's like 84. We're gonna be wrenching on this dude's 4Runner today. It's pretty freaking sweet. This is the first time I've actually seen it up close. It's got these sweet hubs. It's pretty sweet 4-spoke wheels. This thing's got a pretty decent lift on it too. I mean, I think it's stock, but it seems pretty sick. Removable back part. I don't know what you call it. This sliding glass. Oh my god, dude, this thing's freaking sweet. Is it locked?
Yeah, I'll unlock it.
Yeah, grab it. Grab the keys. It is stick shift and 4-wheel drive.
It's my dream daily Overland Rig.
This thing is in mint condition. Like, it's not crashed in the front like all the other ones you see. Oh. 22RE. 22RE. I know the sound anywhere.
Clean.
Hey, you know what else I noticed, bro?
Clean. What? What's up?
Open the door. That Mishimoto shift knob from the Subi.
Buddy.
Dude, is it? Oh, dude, from the Subi.
Yep.
You boosted this thing? You could just put a boost gauge in here.
Dude.
Holy fuck, this thing is like JDM refresh right here.
I'm telling you, dude.
Holy
hell.
hell.
This is my life right here, bro.
Just climb in.
Check me out.
Dude, okay. Back window rolls down also. The transfer case is broken. And he bought a new one. We're going to swap that one in today and do his U-joints. And
I tried the MR2 seat, man.
oh, yeah, bro.
There you go.
Thanks. Oh, this is, dude, I would whip one of these, dude. What the fuck? Are you kidding me? I got spider webs all over my shoe. Holy fuck.
Can't guarantee yet. Yeah, man. They had the spray on there underneath, and in the truck bed to prevent rust.
So it's coated already, dude. This thing's mint.
Dude, this thing's ready to go. Roll bar from the factory.
Hell yeah, son.
Hell yeah,
that
dude.
thing is beefy.
If this fiberglass cracks, at least we know this thing's gonna hold
Like,
us up.
we can take the top off and just have the exposed roll bar. Dude,
That's the plan.
just be cruising.
We're gonna restore this.
Like,
one
what the
day,
hell?
And while this is being restored in the summer, we're just gonna be
just
cruising
roll with
around,
the
top
open.
down.
Yeah, dude. That's the way to go. Hell yeah.
That's what I'm talking
Dude, it's got that Nippon Denso MAF sensor. I think is that a MAF sensor or what is that?
Yeah, or something like that.
The fuck is that? That's a big MAF. My hand for reference. I have a big ass hand too. Dude, that valve cover is pretty nice though. I like it.
Thanks, man. It's
Oh,
nice.
yeah. You should paint over the Toyota with black.
Ooh, that would be
That'll look
nice.
clean.
You know one of my favorite things under here?
What?
Toyota with a D.
Toyota with a D. What?
That's cool, bro.
Why is that like that?
That was before they came up with the new logo. Now the new logo has every letter in Toyota's name. But they changed it to the D so that when they actually made the new Toyota logo, they would have all the words, all the letters in the word.
If they had the D, they couldn't have made that logo, man.
You're gonna break it.
It's already fucking broken, I think. I don't even know if that fits on there the right way, so. Oh, wait.
So this is an ATV battery. That's what I've been told. If you Google it, you probably won't find those results. So we're gonna be cutting this right here. We're gonna be cutting this right here because you can't push this as far
As it needs to go.
because it needs to go.
I'm trying to get this thing off, but it won't come. So we're trying another method. Let's get it.
Is it spinning around?
No, it's just, yeah, kind of.
There you go.
Ooh, there you go.
There you go. That's a good vantage point.
Oh, yeah, buddy.
Woo! Should I just put this right here for now?
Yeah, that's exactly what
For
it
a
needs
ground?
to be. Yeah.
All right, I'll ground it. That's how I'll help.
I think I need to use some, like...
Because I don't overland, so I don't know how to do this stuff. I think if I put this in this little hole here.
Dude.
Oh, shit,
dude. Come on, that's the wrong spot for that.
So far, we're cutting through this, like, joints on the axle. I guess they're called U-joints or something. We've got, like, partially through it. You got it?
Just snap
Snap the screwdriver?
Snap the screwdriver.
Okay, so after using a screwdriver, a bunch of chisels, a banana, what else do we use?
I think we tried some grapes.
That was a chunk, bro. Oh my god, look at that. Are you seeing that? I'm just gonna go a little bit more.
Oh, dang, bro.
That's not bad, right?
That's pretty good. The camera's not really catching it. Yeah.
That Nardo gray mailbox. Give it a tap, dude.
Yeah, it's disconnected.
I know we've been doing a lot of cutting and not really showing what we're actually doing, but this is what we're gonna. This is pretty much what we're taking out, all right? And not this. This is the same like thing we're taking out, but this is a new one. This is the new one that we're gonna be putting in. So that's the whole purpose of what we're doing over there. It's slimy. This is really nice. So it feels smooth. Let me give a little progress update. So far we've gotten that side disconnected completely.
The other side, yeah.
And then
This side's disconnected.
this side's disconnected. This side we've cut through it a good amount. We're almost there. I'm gonna give it a whack now, and then after that we should be good to finish taking that off, and then pop the new one in, and then throw the transfer case in there, and then we'll be overlanding in no time. Just kidding. We don't do that. Hell yeah. Got it. Hell yeah, dude. See, we're making progress.
You wanna do that side?
Hell yeah, take the camera.
Did you have it this way? Yeah.
Yeah.
Ready? What do you say? Yeah. Is it even going? A little, huh? Yeah. So, dude, I feel like I should wear that glove. You want them to be pounding it so hard? Okay, fine, it's okay. Little, huh? Huh? Little. Yeah. You see that one? Just run from the alarms. Just gonna stop. There you go.
Fuck you. The way. On his phone. He appears. A wild lime bike appears. Keagan's vice grip tutorials.
.com.
More like a
Thoughts
bitch
calm.
grip. Look at that. Look at this.
Did you say bitch grip?
Yeah. It's
Yeah,
tiny.
he does. You really do have a bitch grip right now, though, dude. And I don't even know if it's improvable. Alright, you've redeemed yourself.
Yeah.
Don't call me dog. Don't call me Clarence. Alright, guys. So we have the transfer case right here. It's a rebuilt transfer case. We have
We can show them the old one.
the part that we took off today. No, we didn't take that off today. That's old. And then we have the seal for the transfer case. We have some new gear oil for the diffs.
Red line.
Redline gear oil.
MT90.
Not a sponsored ad.
Please.
How would we possibly work on a car without having to go to a hardware store like Ace or Home Depot? This time it's Ace because we're in Claremont. There's no Home Depot nearby us, so we just stopped at Ace because we need to get some cutoff wheels.
Yes.
Gosh. Oh, is that a mini grinder? Oh, no, it's not. It's a right angle attachment. Damn, sure had me. I need some wire brushes, man, to just clean up things that are rusty. Only $4. These are really cheap. Look at these records. I can't believe they're vinyl junkies here at Ace. It's crazy, man. Just buy
Should I
like
get the thinner ones, you think?
the thinner ones.
No, they probably wear way faster, huh?
Probably, yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna get these ones.
Should I just go get a big bundle of rope for no reason?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Well, what's the reason again?
No reason.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. We've gotten a bit cleaned up. The shadows in the way. We have this one right here. Keagan already got in the U-joint. He's cleaning up this one right here so we can swap in these new U-joints because we got the other ones out. Well, they're all in pieces, but we got them out either way. You know, whatever. There's the new ones right here. Really fucking nice. Probably way better than stock. So now what we're going to be doing pretty much is pressing these into here. These are parts of the drive shaft. I think that's called an alpha shaft. I don't really know, but I know that they have very similar names that are very technical. But this is the new part right here. You can clearly tell. Really smooth. This is like seems like it's some sort of bearing.
That's exactly what it is.
Oh, okay.
U-joint with cylinder bearings.
Okay, yeah. When we popped it open, all the bearings fell out, so it's pretty. Yeah. All right, so he's pressing in the. One side went in.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. He's pressing in the U-joints.
The other side wasn't quite straight.
Oh, okay.
So I'm gonna do that because I don't want to go that way. I think I might need to do that side with a hammer.
Think so?
Yeah.
Work. Lick test. Go. You're on camera already. You have to do it, bro.
Totally.
You know, if you're not gonna laugh at my fucking jokes, I'm gonna leave. You fucking bitch.
I'm gonna go home.
I'm gonna go eat a burger. I'm gonna go take the burger, and I'm gonna eat it.
You can go home.
So, I don't think we're gonna get to finish everything, or at least even film everything tonight. But we're about to get to the last bust here.